Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my another video. Today my voice is changed because I'm a little bit sick. So today I'll show you guys my shopping. I did a lot of shopping for crochet items. So this all thing for decoration. So this is big size stone, you can see. It's a rainbow color, it's really nice and it's pretty big size. So shiny. So I will use this one for decoration, like a big flower. I put middle on the flower this stone, so it will be so beautiful and so pretty. So I'll make a tutorial as soon as possible, a big flower with this stone, then you can understand how I do the decoration. I love just this stone, it's so pretty. So this is the next one, is a small size white stone. It's clear, you can see. So I'll open. This is pretty too. So this is for decoration also. So if I make a white flower, I'll put this stone in the middle of the flower. So it will be so pretty and so cool. I buy two sizes this stone. One is the small one and another size is medium. It's so shiny and so beautiful. This all come from Bangladesh because Bangladesh have like very good quality this kind of stuff. That's why I buy a lot. This is another one. This is medium size. It's really nice. This is also white color. So I'll open and I'll show you guys. So you can see it's really big than a small one. So it's very nice, very shiny. It looks like a diamond. Now I show you this thing, and this is very nice too. It's very shiny. This is for decoration also. This is multicolor, so shiny, so beautiful. So you can see how it looks. It's so pretty, right? It's a golden color with rainbow shine. So this all item for decoration with crochet items. And this is the another one. This is called a spring and it's golden color. This is really nice too. So I'll decorate crochet item with this spring too. Then I show you guys how it look. So there are so many spring, you can see it's golden color and it looks so pretty, so nice. I can wait to do something with this spring, so as soon as possible I'll make a tutorial and I'll show you guys. So I'll do this work like this. So I put in the bag again and then I save very nice place. So that's all item I buy for decoration with crochet items. I hope you like this video and If you want, you can buy also for decoration. That's why I show you guys. It will be help for you. Thank you.